I know exactly what you're thinking. What would happen if the Dark Knight Batmobile and that early 80s three-wheeler your beer-drinking Uncle Roger used to ride wheelies on had a baby? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Introducing my 1982 Kawasaki KLT 253 wheeler that's been purposely built to simultaneously scare and impress the heck out of everyone who jumps on it. It's been affectionately named the Mullet Bat Mobile. It's just like that Gypsy Run Carnival ride that made you puke in third grade. Was it scary? Heck yes. But dang, you respected that thing. Here are some of the deets. It's got a stripped down and powder coated frame so there's not a speck of rust on it. It's been converted to a screaming 346cc Predator motor. It's got brand new tires and a brand new leather upholstered seat. Of course, it starts right up because of the engine reliability. And it has rear brakes, but I haven't even hooked up the front brakes yet because I like danger. This bike is for sure gonna put smiles on my face. It's fun to put around the driveway or even the yard, and even my kids like watching me drive it. I think it's pretty adequately powered with the 346cc engine, even though it's a single speed. But I had to work on getting the gear ratio down to science. Basically, the guy that I bought some of this stuff from, it was an unfinished project. He couldn't figure out how to do the gearing on it. And so what happened was he wanted to just get rid of it, and we negotiated a price, and I had a jack shaft plate sitting around at the house and added that from one of my other bikes and really just reduced the gears, played around with some of the gear ratio, did an online gear ratio calculator to see its top speed based on the wheel diameter. And I think this top speed is around 40 miles an hour, although it's still pretty good off the start as well. You could probably adjust the gearing to make it a little bit more lower end torque instead of the higher speed, but I think this is a good mixture. Overall, this is definitely a fun build to finish out. It's not something I typically focus on, even though it is kind of vintage now, 1982. But I typically build early 1900s board track racing tributes. And if you are interested in that kind of stuff, we'll be posting pretty regular content here. And I'd love for you to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the Mullet Batmobile in the comments. Is it a yay or a nay for you? Would you rock this thing? And if so, it's actually currently for sale here locally in Virginia. So let me know if you are interested in purchasing it.